Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Rockstar Games. Sorry, we're unable to handle your request at this time. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're having problems with Rockstar Games here and you're not able to start playing games or you're not able to use the app, well, fixing this is quite easy. So what do you need to do? Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and just go to your search at the very bottom here and just type in Rockstar, and you want to look for Rockstar Game Launcher. So you want to right click on it and you want to go and choose Open File Location. Now in here, right click on it again and you want to go and choose the option that says Open File Location again. So you need to look for Launcher Patcher.exe. So let's go and just right click on it. And you want to go and make sure that you choose the option that says Properties. Now you want to go to Compatibility and you want to make sure that you select the following. It's going to be Disable Full Screen Optimization and run this program as administrator. Now go and click on Apply and OK to save your changes. Now you may want to also do this on your launcher or the launcher.exe here just to be on the safe side. Now once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do here is you may want to add an exclusion into, or in this case, your antivirus or in your firewall, your protection inside your PC. So in this case, you want to go ahead and just basically search for the following. It's going to be virus and threat protection. So just type into search virus and threat protection. Go ahead and open it up. And in here, you want to go and just choose the virus and threat protection settings. So it might take a while to load up. So let's just wait for this one. So here you want to go and click on manage settings. And you want to go and scroll down a bit here and you should be able to see the exclusions. So you can go and click on add or remove exclusions. Now you can go and click on add exclusion and you want to go and choose folder. Now from here, you want to go and just go to your C drive here to access your PC. Now you can go and go to your program files here and you want to look for, in this case, the actual folder for Rockstar. So it might take a while, so you need to look for Rockstar. Click on select folder to add this to your exclusions. Now once you've done that, going to see if that actually fixes your issue. Now if that doesn't fix your issue, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that the time on your PC is correct. Now sometimes if your time on your PC is not correct, it may desync on their server, so you need to have your time corrected. So at the bottom right of your screen, you want to go and just right click on the date and time here, click on just date and time. And I recommend you to just turn on the set time zone automatically and set time automatically as well, so that you won't have problems in the future. But once you've done that, you can go and just close this one, restart your PC, and see if that actually solves your issue. And that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.